In my earlier venture, which was IT services company, I founded it and grew it to 100 people company. What I realized is my time, my CXO's time and the middle management time, it used to go in talking to the guys who are not relevant. I tried finding out the reason. I found out that HR used to validate resume based on validate candidate based on resume, and resume do not validate skills. So the unwanted guys, just because they are very lavish in writing their resume, used to come in upper level and talk to us, and it used to waste a lot of time of us as a middle management. So when I exited that venture, I thought let's do something to solve this problem, and that's the reason I'm here with Interview Mocha. Interview Mocha is a pre-employment testing solution. Okay, we have hundreds of tests created already. Apart from that, we have simulators to check the practical experience of a person on job, like coding simulators and others. Apart from that, we do have productivity features which helps a recruiter to be more productive and reduce the efforts, hassle and time that is required in the recruitment process. Typically, cost saved per hire is in the range of $700 to $1,200 totally. First of all, it depends on how many guys you are recruiting. For getting one guy, how many guys you screen. Okay, then say for example, currently if you are screening 20 guys to get a guy, okay, 80% are the pure rejection which can be done through product. Okay, and what time you are spending in scheduling those guys, in screening the resumes, in having first level of candidate interaction and in failing them. So to fail a guy in interview process takes 70% of the time, not only of recruiter but of hiring manager, of project team and at times CXOs even. So that we save. We have close to 50 plus customers from India and I would say now across the globe, from US, from Germany, from Netherlands, from Denmark and other countries even. It's a SaaS solution and we already have got a good traction so far. We were running a business earlier even, but when we came to Gennext, okay, Gennext first of all help us identify and sketch down who is going to be our customer. They asked us to define our customer, and once that part was done, it was very easy to write customer acquisition strategy, customer retention strategy, customer traction strategy. So Gennext has played a major role for us in terms of understanding whom we sell, and then we figured out how to sell, what to sell.